Hey everybody, I'm Bill Davenport with Anchored Market Ventures. Today on Tips and Tricks, we're going to be talking about expanding your sales if you're a produce vendor, a meat vendor, or a microgreen vendor. And one of the ways that you can increase your sales beyond the farmer's market is by reaching out to local chefs, local restaurants. A lot of places are looking for ways to create specials, and one of the ways they can do that is by using your product. If you reach out to them, talk to them about the benefits of your locally grown product or your locally raised products. And a lot of these restaurants and chefs will use your products, they'll purchase them to make weekly specials, whether it's garnishments or some sort of a salad mix with your microgreens, or a meat dish for the evening with your locally raised beef, pork, and chicken, or just some fruits, vegetables, and a produce medley out of the locally grown produce. So that's a way that's often overlooked, is reaching out to your local community. It's a great way of blending community in the farmer's market, is by reaching out to these chefs locally and these restaurants and telling them, hey, who you are, what you got, and kind of coming together to create a dish for that restaurant and for the community that is all local. People love that, restaurants love that, and it's a great boost to you. So look at that. There's a lot of options to increase your sales, but that is one way if you're a produce, meat, or microgreens vendors to kind of get a leg up on your sales, is reaching out to the community, restaurants, local chefs. If you guys have any questions about that, please reach out to me, Bill Davenport, at anchoredmarketventures.com. We can't wait to see you guys at the next market. As always, y'all stay blessed.